we are back again with Photoshop tutorials. If you like what we are doing, you can subscribe to the channel. So our lesson for today is we are going to change a color of white t-shirt to black. This is our lesson. So let's go straight to Photoshop so that I teach you how to do this. You go to your Photoshop tools, select the curvature pen tool. This is another pen tool. You select this pen tool, then you select the white t-shirt. Select the white t-shirt. Wearing the man. Select the white t-shirt. This is how the curvature pen tool works. You can control it anyhow you want. You double click to make it straight instead of curved. Now we are done selecting our white t-shirt. Then you go to make selection, left click, right click on the mouse, then you make selection of the t-shirt, then you click OK. It is selected. Then on the keyboard, on your keyboard, you press Ctrl+J to duplicate. It will take off the background. Now the background has been taken. There is a white t-shirt. The man is also off. So the white t-shirt has been selected. Now let us bring it back. You select the white t-shirt here on the layers. You go to layer, then you select the white t-shirt. You press Ctrl+L on the keyboard. Your white t-shirt is selected on the layer. This is where we are going to turn our white t-shirt into black. Now you bring down this point down. You bring it down. You see our white t-shirt is now turning to black. Bring it up a little bit. Then you bring this one down. Now it's almost black. You see, now our white t-shirt is now black. So this is how we turn our white t-shirt into black. Thank you for watching our lesson today. If you like what we are doing, you can go to the subscription button and hit subscribe for us if you are happy with what we are doing. If you are happy with what we are doing, you can subscribe to the channel. This is the end of our video for today.